Blessings, blessings, blessings. Welcome, welcome, welcome to another episode of your weekly medical update with Bishop Dr. Yutan Lang. I hope everybody is having an awesome week, awesome day, awesome month. I know in spite of the pandemic, we got to make the best of it, knowing that, our God is still in charge. However, on the weekly medical update, we're still talking about boosting your immune system, and we're spending some time today talking about focus on gut health because we're going to see that your gut is very important in the overall immune system function and growth. Now, gut health refers to the balance of the bacteria living in your digestive tract. A healthy gut basically is going to have the right balance of bacteria, immune cells, and even viruses and fungi that lives in your system. And all of this kind of has to be in the right balance for the immune system to function properly. The gut is one of the initial part of the immune system. Certain things that will allow to be absorbed, some things that will not be. The acidity in the gut may also will be able to kill off some bacteria and such like. However, there are healthy things and healthy bacteria that is needed for the breakdown of foods and help in your overall immune system. Gut health is so much emphasized for a strong immune system because a lot of the immune cells are found in the gut system. Because remember, the gut where everything is getting absorbed, everything is entering. That's the first time when things that enter are going to be met by your body cells, and therefore your immune cells. There's quite immune cells in the lining of the gut that are important for your overall health. Unhealthy diet, bad sleeping habits, and excessive use of antibiotics have a lot of adverse effects on your gut. The problem, and this is why I know a lot of people love antibiotics and everything, they want an antibiotic, but there's antibiotics that will kill off the natural flora, the natural bugs that's supposed to be in your digestive system, then allowed some of the ones that are not so good to overgrow, and a lot of time will allow acid to then destroy some of the lining of the stomach, which then decrease and break down your defense. And you see how if your gut is not functioning well, your immune system will not be at its best. So you want to make sure that you're very keen on that. So regular exercise, as we talked about before, has a good positive effect on gut health as well. It helps to propel things along, to move things along, so things don't stagnate in the stomach. So that is also going to be of good. And what you want to do then to improve and to maximize your gut health is to make sure you do a diet that is rich in fiber. Fiber has a lot of cleansing effect in the gut. It has a lot of also helping absorbing some of the things that then will be removed as waste from the gut. And it's going to be a lot better for you than a diet that is rich in just, those rich protein and carbohydrate type foods. So it's very important that you do that. You also want to avoid fried items. There's a lot of things that happen when you fry stuff that if you're eating a lot of it is going to be deleterious to your stomach and to your gut. So you want to do that. You want to limit the use of caffeine and alcohol. And what we recommend is foods such as yogurt and those food that fermented foods seem to have a right balance of bacteria, and so yogurt and probiotics are good to develop and to help your overall gut health. So you want to make sure that you are eating a right balanced diet high in fiber to make sure that you're getting the right mix that's going to be in the gut that's going to promote good gut health. So good gut health means good and better and stronger immune system because a lot of the immune cells function right there in your gut. So make sure, look over your menus, look over your diet plans, look over whatever you're following, and make sure you're staying tuned. So we want to boost your immune system. So that's why we want to improve your gut health. So have a wonderful day. That's it for today. We'll be back with you next week for another episode of your weekly medical update. So we thank you for joining us. Make sure you share this with all your friends, and go also to our YouTube page, and you can get some reviewing of the information there as well. So go to Facebook, like and share, and also on YouTube. We thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a wonderful